I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents, and this is 22 Berserker Street in Berserker. This high-set 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home has been recently renovated, has a new roof, sits on a flat block, and is a fantastic first home or brilliant investment opportunity. The light-filled, open-plan kitchen has an easy flow to the living and kitchen. This property is a great must-see, especially with the side access and flat block. If you can see potential in the centrally located Berserker home, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts at McGrath Estate Agents, for more information.